Masasabi ko lang, pare. Huwag niyo akong subukan. Pero bakit niyo ako sinubukan?
Ala naman huwag ka naman pagay-ang-gayang diyang kabayan, Ayan na, huwag mong gay-ang-gayonin iyan.
Mga tol, ang tunay na lalaki. Pasensya ka na, tol. Mahal kita, ma'am. Ayan po, thank you.
Anong sabi mo? Huwag mong kain yan. Baba ko yan Huwag mong ganyanin. Sasha, natutuwa naman ako. Alam mo, Sasha, mahal kita.
Naglilingkod sa inyo saan man sa mundo.
Ang masasabi ko lang, Erap. Sino ka man? Nasaan ka man? Walang ano man, Erap. Dahil sa tunay na samahan, iba na may pinagsamahan, Erap.
Ito po si Michael V. Big size, big taste. Si Michael V po para sa... Ayan po, kasama ko po si...
Ako nga pala si Bebang. Kamusta ka na, Bitoy?
Ayos lang ako, Bebang. Ano bang ginagawa mo dyan, ha?
Wala lang, nagboboses lang ako.
Kung mahusay ang pagsisinop at pagsisiyasat ng ebidensya, lumalabas na ang Ito po ang scene of the crime, operatives.
Hey, come on, Patrick. My name is SpongeBob. Da! Kamusta ka na?
Oh, my name is Patrick. How are you, SpongeBob?
Hey, shut up, SpongeBob.
I love you, you love me. We are happy.
Ayan, nag-good vibes ako kay Barney sa huli ha. And mga tribe, live here in our studio is the man behind the voice of several local commercials in television and radio, characters in anime and other TV shows. Let's get to know the voice master, the very talented Mr. Pocholo Gonzales. Good morning
sir.
Ayan.
Good morning, sir.
Parang gusto ko bigla mag-iba ng boses.
Ako, ganito na
Mamaya. Ayan, good morning, Sir Pocholo. And when did you started po itong mga voice, pagvo-voice?
Basically, masasabi ko, bata pa lang ako kasi wala kaming TV sa bahay. So ngayon, ang means of entertainment ko, yung...
Parang radyo lang po dati.
So ngayon, nakikinig ako sa radio drama, yung Isang Gabi.
Ako, Lolo. May multa.
Ay, nako, anong gagawin natin? Manda kayo sa akin. Ginagaya ko siya. Yun, natuwa lang ako hanggang sa nadidevelop. Tapos lahat ng mga napapanood ko, ginagaya ko. Wala lang, parang katuwaan lang until na-realize ko there's something in my voice na natutuwa yung mga tao.
Na nagagaya.
Parang pag nanggaya ako, nagtatawanan sila. Sabi ko, wow, this is nice, no? Kasi I can make people smile kahit na boses ko lang. So kasi gusto ko masaya lagi
Nakakatuwa. Nakakatuwa hindi kasi parang, di ba, ang hirap. Kanina yung pinapanood ko yung video, parang, kumari, isang show lang, tapos ikaw lang yung magbo-boss. Parang ang hirap ipalit-palit yung boses. I'm gonna do it.
Sa totoo lang, mahirap talaga siya kasi, actually, it's a skill. Anyone can learn it. Parang kanta, pero mayroon talagang hidden talent Yung parang talent din talaga siya.
And of course, meron kasama si Sir Pocholo with us. Would you like to introduce us?
Okay, we have here Mr. Canon Lee. He is one of my students from my voice acting workshop called VoiceWorks. And he is now with me with Creative Voices, yung company ko, Creative Voices Productions. And yeah.
Hello, everybody. My name's Canon Lee. Pasensya na po kayo. If you're if you're wondering why it's all English, it's because I'm sobrang twang or slang when I speak Tagalog. But as Pocholo was saying, I am a student of VoiceWorks, and that is one of the premier, in fact, the premier voice acting academy here in the Philippines. And I learned so much, not just from him, but also the instructors there.
But when did you started to train for VoiceWorks?
Yeah, VoiceWorks.
Okay, this was roughly around the beginning of December.
December last.
I graduated in December, and then I went into radio just right after that.
Okay. And are you enjoying it so far?
Oh yes, I'm loving it. You really have to have a passion to enter broadcasting, or let alone the voice industry. It's not for the faint of heart. You have to have a heart of gold for it.
Okay. And what are yung training na